Hey there, amazing Animal Facts fans! Today, we're diving into the icy waters to meet the incredible seals of the Arctic Circle. Seals in the Arctic are known for their thick blubber and fur, which help them stay warm in freezing temperatures. Seal pups are born on the ice and can swim within just a few weeks. Talk about a quick learner. Arctic seals are incredible swimmers, diving deep and holding their breath for long periods. They use their flippers to glide gracefully through the water. Seals are social animals, often seen in large groups called pods. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, from barks to whistles. Thanks for joining us on this Arctic adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. See you next time.